How to disable video embedding feature for your YouTube videos. So hey guys, if you want to disable the video embedding feature for your YouTube videos so that other people will not be able to embed your videos in their website, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing we need to do is head on to our YouTube Studio application or website. So since currently I am in a web browser, what I'm gonna do is open up my YouTube website and then click onto my profile picture at the top right, and then from here simply click onto the YouTube Studio option. This will fire up my YouTube Studio website. Now once we are inside the YouTube Studio website, you need to find out that particular video for which you will be disabling the video embedding. So in order to find out the video, click onto the content tab at the left. Then inside the channel content, it will list out all of the videos that you have uploaded till now. So now find that particular video for which you want to disable the video embedding. So for example, let's say this particular video right here. So hover your cursor over to this video and click onto this details button with a pencil icon. Once you have clicked over it, you need to scroll down and you will see this show more button. Click over it and keep on scrolling. Keep on scrolling until you see this option under the license which says allow embedding, and if you hover onto the question mark, you can see that if you will enable this, it will allow others to embed your video in their sites. So if you want to disable the video embedding, you need to uncheck this particular tick mark, and now, no one will be able to embed your videos into their website. Once you have done this, click onto the save button at the top right to apply these changes. And once you'll see this message which says changes saved, you are all set. So that's how easy it is to disable video embedding for your YouTube video. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comment if this worked for you or not, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.